resort. Yay! Yay! We're here now at View Resort and Spa. After 4 hours. So unfortunately, it's raining. Yeah.
Very gloomy.
See? So, less video kami today.
Nahihiya si Sunshine. Si Mr. Sun.
At naka-off shoulder.
Yeah.
Why are we in uniform? So yes, we'll have our pictorial na lang. See you. How to book here in Masao View Resort.
First step, chart. You search their page, FB page. Their name on FB is Masao View and Resort and Spa. Then you can just message them on their FB. English. And they will respond immediately. And then you can book you can book your reservation at the FB Messenger.
Yes, because you cannot enter Davao Oriental without the
Yeah.
resort booking. So
And
you need-
after they will receive your reservation, they will prepare the booking, the papers, and then they will give you an instruction to pay at least 50% down payment.
yes.
You can pay via GCash or online bank transfer or bank deposit under their bank account.
Here you go.
So after they will receive your 50% down payment, they will give you the confirmation booking, the documentation, the paper. It will state there that you already paid 50% down payment, and they will include the health declaration, which you will need that when you enter the Davao Oriental
Mati.
checkpoint. Yeah.
Yes, and separately you will apply for your QR code in Davao Oriental. So it's not from the resort. Ikaw mismo yung mag-register ng QR code.
Yeah.
Okay.